This might be one of the most premium looking boards in my collection, and today we're taking a look at the KiiBoom Jade75. This is a 75% mechanical keyboard that usually sells for around $200. So expectations are definitely a little higher than your average budget board. It's finished using CNC and UV processing, which gives it a really smooth texture and helps the colors stay vibrant over time. This version comes with KiiBoom Crystal switches, which are pre-lubed linear switches with a transparent housing that lets the RGB lighting shine through really well. The Jade75 also supports QMK and VIA, which means you can fully customize your key mapping, macros, and lighting effects if you want to personalize your setup. For connectivity, the Jade75 supports Bluetooth, 2.4 wireless, and USB-C wired mode, and it can switch between multiple devices pretty easily. Inside the keyboard, there are several layers of foam and dampening materials, which helps reduce ping and give the keyboard a deeper sound profile. But the most important thing with any keyboard is how it sounds, so let's hear it. If you're looking for a premium 75% keyboard with a unique design and lots of customization options, the KiiBoom Jade75 is definitely one worth checking out.